The next part has to deal with tablets, and should we give one tab, should we give less than one tab, or more than one tab. So if the tablet strength is larger than what you must give, you need less than one tab. And this is because if you give them an entire tablet, it would be too much. If the tablet strength is smaller than what you must give, you need more than one tab. And this is because if you give them only one tablet, it would not be enough. And if the tablet strength matched what you had to give, then you would need exactly one tablet. So 26 says if you have tablets whose strength is 0.5 milligrams and you must give 0.25 milligrams, you will need. So we got 0.5, 0.25. I'm going to write these off to the side, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So the tablets are 0.5 milligrams, and we're supposed to give 0.25 milligrams. So this is larger, and that means we need less than one tab. If you have an order to give a dosage of 7.2 milligrams, and the tablets have a strength of 2.4 milligrams, so the tablets have a strength of 2.4 milligrams, and we're supposed to give 7.2 milligrams. This is larger, so we need more than one tab. And for 28, it says you have tablets labeled 1/50th, and you must give 1/75. You will need, so the tablets are 1/20, and the give is 1/40. So this is larger, which means less than one tab.